Because I had Irish, actually, there were more opportunities because there was a lot of work with TG4 programs. A lot of independent production companies were working across TG4 programs. So having the Irish was a real benefit to me. And actually, I ended up probably moving up the ladder quicker, maybe as a result of that. So I went from researcher to producer quite quickly.
When you're on the stage in theatre, it's about projection and it's about externalizing far more. But for cinema, the audience is the camera, and the camera is often just right here, right in front of your face.
That first voice you heard was Cleona and Colm, producer of An Cailín Ciúin. And I'm Martin Nutty.
And the second voice was Colm Bairéad, writer and director of what's known in English as The Quiet Girl. And I'm John Lee.